Good morning, Year 6. It's time for your Mixed Math starter today. So we've got a question here on perimeter, which is what we looked at briefly yesterday. Division question, a BIDMAS question, and a subtraction question. So you might want to pause the video there, have a go at these 4 questions, and then continue the video to see how they should have been solved. Okay, so if we look at number 1, it's a perimeter question. This is what we looked at yesterday. So we've got a rectangle here, and this edge here is 7 centimetres, so the edge opposite to it also has to be 7 centimetres, doesn't it? But this is 4 centimetres. The one opposite also has to be 4 centimetres. Now remember, the perimeter is the distance all the way around the edge. So what we need to do at this point is just to add up all of these numbers. Remember, I talked to you about maybe putting a little marker there so you don't add anything more than once. So if we go 7, add 4 is 11, then if we add another 7 onto that is 18, and then the final 4 take us to 22, remembering to put centimetres because that's what it's measured in. So the perimeter of that rectangle is 22 centimetres. Looking at number 2 now. 1685 divided by 5. So how many 5s go into 1, 0? We need to carry that 1 over. How many 5s then go into 16? It's 3 with 1 left. How many 5s go into 18? It's 3 with 3 left. How many 5s go into 35? It's 7, and there's no remainder. So the answer to this is 337. Number 3 is a BIDMAS question, and you can see all the numbers in here are 4, but we need to do different things with all of them. So we've got brackets first of all. So we solve in brackets. Now within the brackets there are some indices, so we need to solve the indices. So we've got 4 squared, remember that's 4 times 4, not 4 times 2. 4 squared, which is 16. 16, add 4, takes us to 20. So the brackets is 20. Now this moves down now, so it's 20 divided by 4, gets you the answer of 5. Finally, looking at this subtraction, it's a 6-digit subtract a 5-digit subtraction, and I've lined them all up, making sure that they're lined up in their respective columns. So first of all, starting over here on the ones column, 9 take away 7 is 2, 8 take away 1, we can't do that, so we need to come over here to exchange that 0, that 1 becomes 0, and that gives us a 1 over here. 18 take away 9 is 9, we can't do 0 take away 2, so we need to exchange again. This 7 becomes 6, and now we've got 10. 10 take away 2 is 8, we can't do 6 take away 8, so again we need to exchange, that becomes 2, this is now 16. 16 take away 8 is 8 again. 2 take away 1 is 1. 8 take away nothing is 8. And we can put that in there to get to the answer of 818,892. Okay, then Year 6. So it is time for our maths lesson today.